Okay, so I'm here on my K75 S, and I bought this top box, 22-liter top box from my now new Facebook friend, and I just want to get it installed on the bike. So what you have to do is you have to make sure you have this style luggage rack on the tail. I also bought this on a Facebook Marketplace. I didn't have this since originally, but it's really easy to install this. I didn't get to film that, but you take this tail piece off, and then there's four templates where you just drill through the holes. Not templates, but they're marked on the tail underneath where you're supposed to drill. And you just take a drill bit and just drill through, and then they just bolt right in. So really easy to install. And so once you've got that on, you take this plate, and that notch, there's a notch up at the top. I don't know if you'd be able to see it if I film it, but that's where you want to insert the top part. And then the back part, these two slots fit in the back. And so it's just a friction fit. It's a little tight, so you just got to get in, and might take two hands to do it, but let's see if I can do it. No, it's gonna take two hands. Hold on a second. Okay, so once you fit the top part in, you want to press down really hard and then pull it back, and these two will lock in here, and it's locked in at the top. And so then the next part is just to put the box on, and I'll show you that real quick. Okay, so once you get the top box on, you can see how it just kind of fits in on that bracket, and there's just this little cam that you turn, it'll click. And now it's locked in place, and there's the top box. Okay, here it is, fully installed, and it's not a really big top box, but I think it gives a little bit of extra luggage space. I normally carry these city bags, which are a little bit smaller, but I do have a bigger side bag if I need to carry a lot of stuff. But usually just zipping around town, I think it fits pretty well, and it's proportional to the rest of the bike. So I think that's a good addition. I like the OEM fit, and we'll go take it for a ride, and that's it. Thanks for watching.